So let's test this AI chatbot. For that, I'm going to type a message and I'm going to send this message. Hey, want to know about wedding packages and pricing. So this is my question. So I've sent this question. So let's wait for a few seconds till it is sharing me the wedding packages and pricing. So as you can see that it has shared me all the details of all the packages. Let's say I'm going to ask about the drone shoot. So I'm just going to type drone shoot question mark and I'm going to ask about this drone shoot. And let's wait for a few seconds, and once we're going to wait for a few seconds, it is saying yes, drone shoots are included in premium photography plus cinematography package. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about my pricing and the packages I offer, because I have created this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base it has replied me. So as you can see over here are all the packages with the same price, and not only this, about the drone shoots also it knows through this knowledge base only. So yes, we have created this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only this AI chatbot is replying me so accurately. So let's move on further and see how you can also create this AI chatbot for your own business. So yes, now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. And then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your AI assistant from left end of the site. But first of all, you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated to it same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. This video is only going to focus on how to create an AI chatbot for wedding photography business. So we're going to focus on that, and for that we have opened this AI assistant. After opening this, we have to select the instruction type. So over here, if you wish, you can select the instruction type as custom prompt, and you can enter the custom prompt unique to your business right over here. But if you wish to help you, we have some pre-built examples, so you can select any one of these pre-built examples. When you select any one of these pre-built examples, the instructions are added automatically. Now you have option that you can keep the instructions as same, don't change anything and move on further. Otherwise, if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some points right from here. Totally depends upon you. Okay, now we have this temperature, so where you can set how creative the answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.3. I want more focused answers. For the AI to use, I'm going to select OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4 or Mini. You can select any another of your choice. For the API key, we have to get this API key. For that, open your OpenAI API key page. After you open this page, click on this create new secret key button in the top right corner. Once you click on this button, enter the key name, select the project, click on this create secret key. Your key will be created. So copy this key and paste it right over here and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, it is going to say OpenAI key saved successfully. And after we attach this key, let's move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings, so you can add header or the footer message. So you can switch on this header footer and you can type the header and the footer message right over here. The maximum characters are 60. The next which we have is this stop keywords. So where you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say I want to add a keyword name stop, so I'm just going to type the keyword and then press enter. It is really important that you type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Now whenever my user is going to type any one of this keyword, the AI assistant is going to stop right there, and then a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. Now let's move on further. The next is this retry attempts, where you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant fails to respond, the valid range is 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 3 right over here. For the fallback message, this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So you can add your email address right over here. So if the user has some emergency, they can contact you in email. if the API key is not working properly. Alright, so now let's move on further. After this, instructions is knowledge source. So like I told you, starting of this video, that over here I've created this knowledge source, and using this knowledge source only my AI assistant is replying me. Alright, so how we can create this knowledge source? For that, you have to open a blank Google document. After you open the blank Google document, you have to enter the knowledge unique to your own wedding photography business in that document. Then go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDF are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because that is preferred. Because for PDF we have no page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So you can enter the knowledge source in the file you want, but I'll suggest you go for TXT. I'm just going to download this in TXT. I'm going to go to this file, download, and download this in TXT. Once this is downloaded, I'm going to upload it. For that, I'm going to go to this choose a file, then I'm just going to upload this which I've downloaded right now. And once we receive the vector ID, this will be the proof of our successful uploading. So as you can see, we have received this vector ID. Now let's go to this assistant interface. It is asking me for the heading name. So for the heading name, I'm going to enter the name of my business. So let's copy this brand name, and I'm going to add it right over here. And after adding this heading name, it is saying subheading. So if you wish, you can definitely edit it right over here too. The next is this initial message. So you can type up to 2 initial message. You have to just type the message and then press enter to add it right over here. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely keep it as enable. Otherwise, you can disable it right from here. And now we have this footer text and footer link. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. When you add the footer link, the text will convert into a link like this. Otherwise, it will remain a plain text like this. Alright, now we have this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now we have this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme. You can change the shape. You can change the colors and the pictures. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. And now we have created this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can save this and make it work for our own business. So to save this, switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. This AI assistant is saved. Now let's see how we can use it for a business. So for that, you have to go to this embedded. You're going to get this script. So copy the script and paste it on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever any user click on this chat with us button and then start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message which is hey you selected will be sent from that user towards you on WhatsApp. Then further, the AI chatbot is going to get activated and reply to that user. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to particular users, for that you have to open this inbox in a new tab, and after you go to this inbox, you have to select the particular contact you wish to assign this AI chatbot to. So you have to go to this choose AI assistant and assign this AI chatbot like this. Now whenever this user is going to message, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, go on this settings and then go to this inbox settings. Scroll and enable this AI auto replies and select the contact list, and the AI chatbot is going to reply to all the contact in this list. And then click on this save, and now whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to learn how to create this contact list, go on this contact section, and from here you can create this contact list. If you wish to learn about this contact section or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these sections have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create this for your own business. So with this, we have successfully created this amazing AI chatbot for our own wedding photography business. So yes, now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.